Getting your first 1000 subscribers is actually pretty easy. It's not all that hard. Yes, don't let anybody deceive you. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 ways in which you can actually use to get your first 1000 subscribers on YouTube here. So without much being said, let's get straight into the video. So one of the easiest, most fastest means to actually get your first 1000 subscribers here on YouTube is by simply posting YouTube shorts. Yeah, and that was the method I used to get to over 5,000 subscribers here on YouTube within the space of 2 months. Yeah, if you follow my channel from day one, you should be able to confirm what I'm saying right now. Yeah, I'm not saying that was maybe a good approach, but one thing about this YouTube street is, before I'll discourage you, do not post short, do not post short, short will hurt or harm your channel. No, it depends on how you are posting that short, because this same method I tried it on my lifestyle channel. Though my lifestyle channel, I'm not posting random shorts. Whatever shorts you see on my lifestyle channel, there are some videos from my long form video, and from one single video on my short about 2 weeks ago or last week, I got 35 subscribers from that short video. So have you seen that it's actually working? Whether you are posting that is, whether you say you don't want to post anything random on your short, you can actually get this same result. So the kind of video that I was posting on my shorts back then, that is from this my main channel, I wasn't really doing random shots. I was using my face, like I was recreating other people's shots. And some of my shots from one single short video, I was able to get over 1,500 subscribers. Some gave me 800 subs, some gave me 1k subs. So that was how I was able to do it. Now, if you are maybe a type that you're posting maybe my YouTube growth niche on your long form video, or you're posting cooking or folktale niche, cartoon, sometimes pick out some of those this thing and post it on short. Posting on short is not bad. Yes, I know that some creators out there will tell you do not post short, do not post shorts. I am currently monetized from this my main channel, and I am shocked that the short video that I posted 4 5 months ago are actually earning me money till now. Like, I'm very very surprised. Like, one of my short video that I posted about 5 months ago has currently given me more than $6. Yeah, so this is to tell you that no matter what anybody will tell you, one thing is what works for A might not work for B. So posting short might not really do well or work with them. That doesn't mean you should put that in your head and say, oh, I will not post short, I will not post short. Now, sometimes another thing that is going to actually give you subscriber faster is there's what we call trending sounds. Just like long form video, any niche at all you belong to on your long form content, there are some period of time that a particular video might be trending. Yeah, and if you hop on it, you're going to go viral. This particular thing has blessed this my channel a lot. Like, hopping on videos that are trending, all these videos you see here, yeah, they are all as a result of hopping on something trending, and they are my most ever viral video. That is how it is on your short form content. There are sounds that you will use that are currently trending, that if you hop on it, if maybe you are cooking and you decide to maybe post some of those your cooking video to your long form content, people are going to watch it. It's going to get views. Just make use of that YouTube sound that is trending, and you're going to see the subscribers coming in. Like, this particular thing is working. I've tried it on 3 different channels, which is my channel, my lifestyle channel, and one of my students is currently doing it, and the result has been so beautiful. Now, do not get me wrong, I'd not say you should maybe be posting something else on your long form content and you're gonna be posting randomly on your short. I did it on this my channel, and I know how hard it was for me, because this my main channel, I made that mistake of posting random shots when I started. Yes, despite it being sometimes my face, or maybe me vibing to other people's shots. When I finally decided to start posting long form content, imagine, oh, in my short I'll be getting views like 20,000 views, 30,000 views. But the minute I post long form video, in 1 week, I'll be struggling to get up to 15 views. That is it, because I got the wrong audience. But had it been that I was posting my YouTube tutorials and I was sharing some part of it to my short video, no people that will watch it and subscribe to me, they will definitely want to come back to watch anytime they get my video notification of my long form content. They'll come back to watch, and I would have been growing much more better. But nevertheless, or by the way, it has happened and I call it a blessing, though it was really, really hard. Yeah, but thank God that we were able to conquer it. So that is why, if you know me very well, or if you've ever been my student, I will always mention this to you, not to make that mistake of posting A on your long form and posting B on your short, except maybe if you have audience for it and you also have audience for the show, then you can go ahead and try it. YouTube is a free space. If you say, oh, they say we should not do this and I will not do it, who knows, that particular one that you're trying to skip might actually be what will favor you and work out for you. So I won't advise you not to post short and focus mainly on your long form, because whether you like it or not, short is going to pay you, long form will pay you, going on live will also pay you. So whichever one work for you, go for it. Now that is the first method. Now another method to actually use to get your 1000 subscribers is, if you can exercise the patience, is from simply posting your long form content. From some of my long form videos, I have gotten over 6,000 subscribers. That is if they happen to go really, really viral. That 6K is even too high. I've gotten up to like 500 subs, 1000 subs from some of my long form video. You all know that I stopped posting short when my subscriber count got to 5,000, and that was around October last year. Now this is May 2025 and I'm currently on 27,000 subscribers. So isn't this enough reason to tell you that also posting long form content can get you your 1000 subscribers? But one thing is, it can never be as fast as getting those subs from shorts. So whether you are posting your long form content, you're still going to get subscriber, but they might be coming small small. And to me itself, it's even still okay. It's still okay. Well, it all depends on the one you want to do and whichever one work for you. Okay, and that is number two. So the third way to actually get 1000 subscribers really, really faster is by trying your best to connect with people on the comment section. It also work, but this one now is bringing a lot of issue because some of you will not want to do it the right way. When you are going to people's comment section to connect with them, don't just go ahead and subscribe to their channel straight. No, now YouTube self will detect it. Make sure you watch a video first before you subscribe to that channel, okay, so that YouTube will not see it as a bot and remove it. No, don't make that mistake. Watch a video first before you subscribe. So guys, I believe these three methods are actually one of the fastest, easiest, simplest way to get your 1000 subscribers. And if you watch to this extent, you've not yet subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe, like this video if you've not yet liked it, and do well to drop me your comment on maybe which one is working out for you or which one you'll be liking to try next. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.